Hello, my dear lovely students. I hope you're all doing so good at home and healthy. And I hope to see you all in the classes again because I missed you so much. I want to try to tell you something that I will be your English teacher from now on for a very short period of time, okay? And my name is Teacher Sonia, and nice to see you all later, inshallah. And today we're gonna talk about something. I hope you all doing so good with me, but please pay attention. Don't sit down like this and look at me and listen carefully, okay? Good. Now, today we're gonna talk about something which is so different from what we talked about last year. Last year, as you remember, we talked about the letters. The letters like A, B, C, D, those stuff. You remember, right? But today or this year, from now on, we're gonna talk about the sound of the letter. What? Can you repeat it? Sound of the letter. Look, as you see, we have a letter here. Which letter is this? Anyone tell me, please? S. Very good. We have the letter S. But what I want to talk about is not that it's not the letter. It is the sound of the letter. What? The sound. We have this here. We said that for the letters, we're gonna try to write them on the lines of our notebooks. For example, we said for letter S, for the uppercase S, we need 3 lines. 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, right? You remember, right? Sit down nicely, please. Okay. So we have the letter S, which needs 3 lines together, and the lowercase needs 2 lines together. Very good. But what I want to talk about right now, it's different, as I told you, because it is the sound of the letter, not the letter itself. Look, this is the letter, but if you try to write down the sound, we need 2 slashes. That's it. It's quite easy. Look, the sound of letter S is S, S. Have you ever seen snakes? Snakes say S, S. And the sound here looks like a snake because, as you know, snakes say S. Look, expect that this is a snake here, okay? We have a snake. How to know that this is a letter or the sound? Because both of them are quite the same. There is no different. Look, for the letters, we need lines. For the uppercase, 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. For the lowercase, only 2 lines. But for the sound, we need the sound between 2 slashes. That's it. Now, I'm gonna play a video for you. Please listen and watch carefully because you have to know, because you have to listen. Later, I'm gonna ask questions about it. Be careful, okay? Are you ready? Good. Let's play it. Okay. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. S, s, snake is in the grass. Again, the snake is in the grass. As you see here, we have a snake. We have a snake. What the snake is doing? The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Maybe he needs some rest and try to relax. Maybe he is tired. Maybe he is sleepy. I don't know about that. But the snake is in the grass. Who can tell me how many sit did we have in the video? Yes, please. Who can tell me? Just sit down nicely. Look at here, please. Okay. So I think, yes, you. We have snake is in the grass and it says very good. So we have 4 s together as he mentioned. The snake is in the grass. 2 s. That is the hissing sound of the snake, okay? So we have 4 s in the video, okay? Good, very good. Now, if you want to know about the sound of s, you have to know some words of s. Now, I'm going to tell you 4 words which start with the s sound. Let me tell you. Look, let's watch the PowerPoint, this one, okay? Okay. My good students, look, what do you see here? I know you see tomato with watermelon. But my question here is not about this is tomato, this is watermelon. What is matter here is these are slices. Slice. Look, as you see, we have slice. S sound, s between 2 lashes, and we call this slice. What is slice? I'm gonna tell you. You have a tomato like this, okay? You have a tomato, right? In order to cut it, for example, you want to eat it, just a little bit of it. You say, Mom, please come, please, and cut it for me. I want a slice, 1 slice. For example, this is 1 slice. When you cut it, this is 1 slice of the tomato, okay? Please sit down nicely. Look at here, I'm talking to you, okay? Good. So, we have 1 slice of tomato. What about here? We have 2 slices of watermelon. So, what I want to tell you here is, it's not about the fruit. It is about the sound and the word together. We have slice. When we cut something into pieces, the pieces will become slice, and the sound is s again. Very good. Let's talk about another word, which is, have you ever tried to swim? Swim. If you don't know how to swim, you will go under the water and then you can't breathe. Then you sink. That's it, right? I say this is sink. Look, the egg in the glass, it is under the water. It is under, it is not on the water. If someone knows how to swim, he or she will be at the top of the water. Because this egg don't know how to swim, he is under, he sinks in the water. So we call this sink. Sink, when you put something inside a water and it stay at the bottom of the water, okay? So it sink. Look, be careful, pay attention to the sound. Sink. Good? Very good. We have something else like a tissue, like this, right? We need a tissue and we feel so bad and we don't like it. We call sneeze. You know that? Sneeze. I told you last year for the illnesses. The last one I want to talk about is sidewalk. Look. Oh, I forgot. That was sneeze. Sidewalk. Do you know what is sidewalk? Let me tell you. These are streets. Look, we have one street here, right? The street is used only for cars, for bus, like beep beep, they are going here. These are for cars. But if you want to walk, how can you walk? You can't walk here because maybe a car coming and hit you and you're gonna fall down on the floor or on the street. Sorry. but these are walking, like they are walking, they are walking. Walking where? Sidewalk. We call it sidewalk. It is the side of the street and you're gonna walk there. These are sidewalk, okay? Sidewalk. Pay attention with the sound S again. Sidewalk. That was all about the letter S and the sound of letter S, which was S. Hope you enjoy it and please repeat it after the video because it is really important to repeat all the sound I'm gonna tell you. That is S, and hope you enjoy it and have a nice day.